So this is just an adaptation I saw on how to do this for Linux in another video. This is how to do it on Windows. First, you need some prerequisite tools. These help build your C file for your microcontroller and convert it to an UF2 file ready for your hardware. This is the version I went with here, eabi.exe on the ARM None for bare metal. And for CMake, I just downloaded this installer, the .msi. For Ninja, I just downloaded this zip file, win.zip, and unzipped it. And then the ELF UF2, I just downloaded this one. You could probably find it elsewhere. And it just converts your ELF to a UF2 file. So when I installed this, you're given this option to add it to the path, to environment variables, add path to environment variable. That's what you really want to check at the end of installation. To add these to the path, you just add, you bring up this by adding env in the start menu and bring this up, and you scroll down to path. Once you're in here, you hit edit, and I added these folders here, and that's for your command prompt so that it can find the exe files that we downloaded and use them to build. So next, we download this from GitHub. I already did that. It's right here. We create that folder. Once you're in there, we open it in the terminal, and we enter this command, git submodule update init. I already did that, but you just would copy and paste it like this. And then you take the file out of the external here and you copy it into your folder with the files you want to build. I already have it done here. The next thing you want to do is just make sure that it's all like this. You have the C file, the make file, and that file that we downloaded. You edit the CMake file. Just update it with your path and the name. It's right at the top. The path should match the thing we downloaded off of GitHub. And just make sure that that matches. And then once you're in there, create a build folder, change into that. That's just that command. And then you open that. I mean, I'm just going to open it in terminal at this point because I already did that. And you type in this command, not ninja, that's next. This g ninja or cmake.g ninja. So just copy and paste that, and that will make the first set of files. And then you just type ninja to complete the process. It takes a little bit longer. And that will create all of these files, but they're not quite ready. You still need the U2F file. So we convert this ELF file to a U2F file with this command right here, using that file that we downloaded earlier and added to the path. Just going to copy and paste it. And this will generate the file. It's ready to drag and drop on the microcontroller. See, it wasn't there before, but it is now. So there's my microcontroller. If I just drag it and drop it, it's going to automatically install onto my Raspberry Pi Pico, and I can confirm that it's blinking when I do this. So there you go. Hope that helps.